Hey everyone, and good morning, and welcome to today's session of EURUSD trade setup. And today and tomorrow is going to be an important day for EURUSD, considering there is an FOMC meeting happening, and the movements might be really volatile. But we will still look at how the EURUSD is placed and what kind of trade we can go ahead with FOMC happening at the same time as well. So just before looking at other things, I just want to look at the trade setup I gave on Friday. I couldn't do the video yesterday because I was held up with few other things, so I couldn't concentrate on making a video. Even though I took a couple of trades, I couldn't make it as a video. So on Friday, I gave an go long from 1.098 region. When I was making the live video, the USD was somewhere here. So I said, like, go long from here, and I asked 20 pips profit, and then you can, tag along and then take the profit as it goes up. Move your stop losses so that even if it comes down, it will be in profits. So after I said it's going to jump up the rising trend line, it did actually go up as per what I said. So from the region of 1.098, it went until 1.103. So that's roughly 40 pips. And I hope whoever saw this video taken a good profit. And if you traded like one lot, will be in profit of $400. So that's free money. And just looking at today's trade setup, there are a couple of things got rejected here in 1.104 region, and it's coming down. It broke the rising trend line, as you can see. It broke, retested, and it's coming down from the place where it retested it. It was 1.099 or 1.1 region. So that would been a very nice trade if we had a shorted EURUSD here, and we'd have been profit for at least like 30 pips already. But anyway, so given the USD is one of the major traded pairs of Forex, the volatility will be really high, and we'll have another chance of getting into the trades of USD. So before looking at the trade setup, just quickly look at what we got in the economic calendar. So this is the economic calendar for today, and then for today we got US jobs job opening given us lower than the previous month, and apart from that, nothing major from the US region. So we got one from the Euro region, just came by 20 minutes back, and the CPI is as expected. It actually gone higher than the previous month. Previous was 6.9 and now it's 7. But the important news is are scheduled for tomorrow. So just scrolling through the list of news coming from the Eurozone, I mean the US zone. So we got at 8:15 we got this ADP non-farm employment change, and it's given us higher than the previous month, and service PM as well higher. So we're gonna skip the crude oil inventories, and just scrolling down we got this FOMC statement and FOMC rate decision coming up later in the day at 2 o'clock. So the expectation is the Fed should increase the interest rate by 25 basis points, but if it's 50 basis points, it will be a big surprise for the market. So given the expectation has been long around for 25 basis point, I don't think there will be major movements for EURUSD. But again, USD is going to get stronger with this interest rate hike by the Fed. So after that, there isn't much news coming up from the US zone. So let's quickly go back to the chart and see how EURUSD is tracking. So the 1 hour chart, you can see it has already broken the rising trend line, and it is going lower and lower. And on the RSI, it's currently at 35, still not into the oversold territory. Let's quickly look at the 4 hour chart, how it's tracking. And 4 hour chart, if I can just zoom in a bit more, and it's just coming down to this Fibonacci retracement of 23.6, as well as we have one support region in 1.092 region, and after that we have one small resistance towards 1.085, and again it's going to be a free fall from there to 1.078. So as of now it's trading at 1.096, and it found bit of support and resistance here as well as here during that time. In April, it got rejected here, went down and came up. It broke the resistance here. So again, it's trading at the same position, but I would expect USD to come down further. to at least 1.094, and when it's out of that region, it will go down to this 1.0923. So the date for setup for today will be to short the EURUSD. Just wait for EURUSD to go up a bit, and then you can short. So the current range is 1.095. You can just wait for it to go up 10-15 pips, and then you can make your short, or you can enter half of the shots now and then wait for pull up and then short the rest of your trades. So that's a trade setup for today, and the take profit would be here at 1.092. So that will be roughly 40 pips from the current range where it's trading. So that's the trade setup for today, and happy trading EURUSD, and happy hunting pips as well. Hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe the video, and we'll meet in the next session. Thanks everyone. See you.